it live already? See. Okay, we're live. This is just going to be a quick one. I've got everything I think ready except for the main bearing seals, which are arriving tomorrow. I'm not going to start assembly now. I just want to check everything. So in the end I decided to get new brake lines made for the Jeep. I will check. I need to check and make sure that everything is going to fit properly. I've also got new brake flexible brake lines. I couldn't get at all any new bleed valves, but I did file these down to 9mm. They was rounded off. Anyway, that will be the long lines. Also got a new long line made. Okay, Milo, maar jy is nou hier waar ek wil werk. So these will go over the differential. And connect up. Plus I need to make sure I have these spring clips that will connect it up. Probably too high. Oh, camera looks fine. So, evening everybody. This is just a quick preparation. I want to just check. It took some time to source all the different bearings and seals. I did get one very important thing that I learned while doing all of this is I got a complete rebuild kit for the front differential, or the knuckles basically, with all the gaskets and seals, and I started fitting it, and the first bunch of stuff was an exact fit. And then starting the assembly, one of the mechanics on the farm just pointed out to me that I had incorrect bushes, incorrect nuts and incorrect main bearing seals. The parts that came with the kit was too big, so I started searching what's happening, contacted the supplier of the kit in 4x4. They confirmed for me that it is the correct kit, and then I started looking at why is it different, and I called experts who rebuilt cruiser differentials. They told me to contact Toyota directly because they didn't understand it also. The kits that they normally buy is the same as what N1 supplied to me. And this is the old seals on the drive shaft and the bearing races on the top and bottom of the knuckle. These go there. So then I contacted Toyota. Toyota measured it for me. Everything that came in the kit measured correctly. I they couldn't find anything different. So then they put me in contact with someone who imports spares for Toyota 4N1 4x4, anything that needs to come out of the USA or specialty stuff. He put me in contact with another person again at N1 4x4, but the person with the most knowledge on it, when I told him the size problem I had, he told me, well, the problem you have is that this is not as I calculated or guesstimated earlier, a 1976 Land Cruiser. This was a 1971 to 1973 Land Cruiser. And that's why there's a difference. And those specific parts are more difficult to find. I managed to get what I needed except for the bushes, but the old bushes are still fine. Bearings I could get from Bearing Man International, or Bearing Man Group, BMG, and the seals I could get from them. So I managed to get those. Now I'll just show you what I've done. So apart from the brakes that have been fitted out correctly, and the tools that I have ready here with everything I need. Also I have a new handbrake cable. The rest of the seals and stuff is all in here. That will be for later on, and then everything here. These are the front side shafts and the CV joints. Sorry, got the camera off there. CV joints. We stripped them apart, cleaned them out, repacked them with grease. Same for the wheel bearings, all repacked, completely repacked with grease. Everything is ready. Those will just slide in, slide on, bolt on, reassemble. Then I have here all of the other stuff cleaned up, ready to be reassembled. All the bolts checked, counted, cleaned. I even managed to find for these screws that have been damaged quite badly. I've managed to find new screws, metric coarse thread. So all of that will go back. There was one thing wrong with the spacers, and the one was, all the spacers was on one side of the knuckle. They need to be half at the top, half on the bottom. That was a mistake in a previous assembly. So everything here is ready. Just close them up again, dust again. So now it's just a case of reassembling the bearings for the knuckle, top and bottom. So this is not going to be tonight because I'm waiting for the seals, and I need to put the seals in before I start with any of the other stuff. So that will be tomorrow. No, maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, if I don't have time tomorrow, it will be possibly Saturday or something. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, I'll try and post an advance notice of when I start assembling it. It should go rather fast. I haven't cleaned anything else because I was preoccupied with finding the right parts for it. As you can imagine, what's the age of this Jeep Land Cruiser now? Can't remember. Let me just... I'll calculate it in a moment. Let's just turn around. You can see there. Let me show you for a moment. Winter has finally arrived on the last day of the season. Let's just see if there's any specific questions. Hi, Andre Bollenberg. Hello from Brighton Beach, Durban. Hi, Andre. Okay, so no actual building today, just preparation. We're just going to check. Hi, Jan Fourie. Thanks, Jan. I think it should go easier. I think I have everything. Only the seals need to arrive tomorrow, and I did take them to Bearing Man Group, a sample of what I've taken out, so I don't foresee any problems with that. Then it's just reassembly and filling with oil, and not ideal filling 90 to 140 viscosity gear oil. Really slow. I made an adapter last time to fill it into the differential. I don't have a pump. Usually they use a pump for that kind of thing. Anyway, that's going to be it. We'll see you when we start reassembling. I think I have everything. I think so. Hopefully. Should be interesting reassembling it. At least I'm making sure to replace anything that's badly worn or anything that will give me trouble. While taking it apart, we might as well improve it. Anyway, everything here and ready, and we'll see you on the